Hello, welcome. Let's try to solve another Leetcode problem. 69, merge in between linked list. So let me, so for this problem, let's try to understand it. So we are given two linked lists, list 1 and list 2 of size n and m respectively. So we need to remove list 1's node from the a's node to the b's node. So what is a's node and b's node? So for example, and put list 2 in their place. So this is just a replace from the a's node to b's node and replace it with the list 2. It seems the problem is really easy to understand, and we just need to build the result and return its head. So for this example, a equal to 3, so this from the beginning it is a 0, 1, 2, 3, and b equal to 4, and this is 4. We just need to remove 3 and 4, and then we're gonna connect it with list 2. So the from this 13, it's gonna be ported to the head of the list 2, and the head of the list 2 gonna be ported to the next node after b. So it's gonna be this 5. It seems everything should be easy to understand. And for this problem, I think we can directly use the properties of the linked list. Normally we're gonna use a dummy node. So the dummy node, I'm gonna prepare a list node. So inside the value, I'm gonna give an empty. So by default, the value gonna be 0. Now I'm gonna prepare a pointer p. It's gonna be equal to the dummy node. It's gonna be pointed to the dummy node, and dummy dot next gonna be equal to list 1. Now we can start. So while p, let me just prepare count. So the count gonna be starting from 0. So while p count would plus equal to 1. Now I need to check the count. So from the beginning, at this place, I prepare a dummy node. So for this dummy node, I'm gonna start from this dummy node. So currently the count gonna be 0. So while the dummy node exists, so the count gonna become 1. So this is a 1, and this is a 2, this is a 3, and while it equals to 3, I think I go to this node 13. Let me use another color. Let me just finish the function first. So I need to count would plus equal to 1, so p gonna equal to p dot next. If p equal to a, so I'm gonna prepare a variable a gonna equal to p. If p equal to b plus 2, so I'm gonna prepare another variable, and it's gonna be b equal to p, and I can break it from here. So let me just explain it. So from the beginning we have a dummy node. This is a dummy node d, and d will ported to another node 10, and for this example 10 will be ported to 1, and 1 will be ported to 13. So from the beginning, this is my pointer p, and this is also the dummy node. So p ported to the dummy node, and the count would plus equal to 1. So currently the count gonna become 1, and p will go to the p dot next. P will be here, but the current is 1. So while this exists, so the count gonna become 2, and this one gonna point it to here. So while this not exist, so the count gonna equal to 3, and my pointer will go to 13. So if the count equal to a, this means this is 3. If it equals to 3, this means my current pointer has pointed to this 13. So I need to assign the value to a. So a gonna be equal to this pointer p. It's pointed to 13, and then I go to the next. So the next is gonna be 6 and 9. So for the next, this is gonna be 4 it will be ported to 6, and this will be 5, it's going to be ported to 9. Yeah. So yeah, so A is 3 and B is 4. So if it equals to here, so this is a 9, yeah, and while P equals to, yeah, I think it's not P, it is the count. So while the count equals to B plus 2, this means my pointer ported to 5. Yeah, because from here this is a 5, but if this is a 6, so my pointer will be ported to the next value. It's going to be 5. I just need to find where is the node 5. Yeah. So if the count equal to B plus 2, B gonna equal to P. So let me just change that. So I needed to use the count. Yeah, I think you can use any kind of idea. You just use some mathematics skills just to count it. Now we have this A and B. Now we just need to connect them together. So I'm going to prepare another pointer P. It's going to be the list 2. So while P dot next. Yeah, while its next exists, so P gonna equal to P dot next. Yeah, so in this way we can find the end of the node for this one. But how can we connect all of them? Yeah, so we should know A dot next. A ported to 13, so A dot next should equal to list 2, and P dot next. So this is a pointer P. At the end, it's going to be ported to this node. So this dot next should be ported to 5. So P dot next should equal to B, because B is the node 5. And finally, we just need to return the dummy dot next. Yeah, it seems a little bit confusing, but it's really easy. I mean, it's really easy for solving such kind of problem. You just need to count it. If you count everything is okay, then it should be right. Normally we're going to prepare a dummy node. Yeah. As you can see, it works. Now let me just submit it to check if it can pass. Yeah, as you can see, it passed all testing cases, and the time complexity is ON, because definitely we need to and connect them together. Yeah. So the first step is that we're going to prepare a dummy node. Dummy node is useful because we don't need to have so many edge cases. We just need to return the dummy dot next after that. Yeah. And currently we give a pointer P pointed to the dummy node, and we use this to find A and B. And if we find B, the position of B, actually it is not B, it is the next node of B. That is why we're going to use B plus 2 instead of a B plus 1. Yeah. And for A, we want to find one node before it, so that is why the code equal to B, because we don't need to find this node 6. We need to find the node 13, because the 13 dot next gonna be the head of list 2, and the tail of list 2 gonna be pointed to this node 5. Yeah. So first we need to find it, and secondly we just need to connect them together. So for here we just need to find the tail of the list 2. It is this node. Yeah, and the tail gonna be connected to this pointer B, because B is pointed to this node 5. Yeah, I think that's all for it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.